Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to unlock your notes on iPhone if you've forgotten the password. So without any further ado, let's get started. I want to tell you that using this method you need to require a touchscreen ID. So your iPhone must have a touchscreen ID. Mine does not have a touchscreen ID, but I will still like to show you the process of how you can do it. So when you open your note application and you have it locked but do not remember the password to it, then this video is for you. What I want you to do is go to your settings, then scroll a little bit down and go to notes, and over here you can see password lock important notes using end-to-end encryption here. And then you can choose on your use custom password or use device passcode. Over here, firstly I want to reset my password. For this you need your Apple ID password, so enter your Apple ID password and then you can reset your password automatically. I don't want to reset mine right here, so then here comes an option of use Face ID. You can use either Face ID or your touchscreen ID. If I turn this on, then I would need to write in the new password for the Notes application. If I write the password here, then this is turned on, and next time I use my Notes application, I'll be able to unlock it using my Face ID or my touchscreen ID if ever again I forget my password. So this is a quick and easy method on how you can unlock your notes on iPhone. So thank you guys for watching. If any more questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below. It's me, Lee, signing off. I'll see you in the next one.